Hey, good morning 3B and 3A, and welcome to Science again. Today we are making our Volcano notebooks. And what I need you to do is print it out, and then once you've printed it out, I need you to cut these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pages out. You do not need to cut this page out, just these 6 here. So I'll start here. Now be very careful, make it nice and neat, cut round it, okay? So I need you to do that for this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Ooh. Now make sure you cut round this part here, because you need that to organize your book and find the right page. Okay, once you've cut it all out, we'll move on to the next step. Okay, now that I've cut them all out, I need to color it in and make it look pretty. So, I've cut them all out, as you can see, left bit on here. So I'm gonna start on the front. As you can see, here's a volcano. So, what is this here? This is lava. So what color is lava? Lava is red, orange, yellow. So I'll give it a bit of that, okay? Make sure you do it nice and neat. You want your book to be nice and pretty. You can do a mixture of colors here, you know. Lava glows, lots of different colors. Okay, and also here, the big ash cloud. You need to finish drawing it. Okay. Finish drawing the ash cloud. What color is the ash? The ash should be like a gray, white, black. It's a mixture of rocks and lava blown up into the air. You can put a bit of red in there as well. Lots of lava going flying. As well as coloring this, I need you to color these tabs here. So here, you can color the tabs whatever color you want, but I'm going to go for a rainbow style color. So I'm gonna go red, orange, yellow, green, then blue, okay? So you can do whatever you want. Also, make sure you color these pages inside. Make it nice and pretty the whole way through. Okay, so I finished coloring it in. I didn't do the rainbow like I said I would. I just wanted some pretty colors. So now it's time to stick our book together. Now you can do this 3 different ways. You can either glue all the sides together, like this, and stick them together. You can staple them together, or you can sellotape it together. I'm going to do all 3 because we can do, so I'll show you how. So first of all, if you want to glue it, glue down just the edge, just the very edge of the back page first, and put the next page on top of it. Make sure they're nice and neat. There you go. Okay, and then you glue on top of this page. You put the next page on top. Okay. We do this again and again until we get to the front page. Okay, so that was gluing it. We can also staple it. So if you want to staple it, I'd say 3 staples are enough. Staple once at the bottom. Make sure you get nice and close to the edge. 1. Okay, put 1 in the middle. 2, and then 1 at the top. 3. So that's how you staple it. Okay, and you can do it with sellotape. So cut a bit of sellotape, just a little bit shorter than the length of the book. And put half of the tape over this side push it down, pick up the book, and then fold it over this side, okay? So now your book should be super strong. So you could do 1 way, 2 ways, or 3 ways all together, and now we have a book. You can open it up, see what's inside. So now I want you to fill in the book, okay? And you have to fill in 4 of the 5 tabs. I want you to do vocabulary, reading, drawing, and journal. You do not have to do investigation. We will do this at school. So first, vocabulary. Here is a definition, and I want you to write the right word next to the definition. I am a huge wave that moves onto land after a volcano underwater erupts. Who am I? So which word here is that? Okay, and you find out which word it is, and you write it here. I'll help you with the first one. The first one is tsunami. Okay, but the rest you can do yourself. Reading. Now, you should also have printed a sheet out like this. I want you to read this and answer the questions. The answers to the questions are all here in this on this piece of paper here. Investigation. Do we do this now? No, we do that when we get back to school. Drawing. Now, I want you to draw an active volcano and a dormant volcano. So an active volcano. Can you remember what that means? It's a volcano which is exploding regularly, it's still erupting, so there's lots of lava coming out of it. A dormant volcano is a volcano which is sleeping. It is not erupted in many, many years. And then this last page here, you have to answer this question here. What are some advantages and disadvantages to volcanoes? And you can find some answers again on this piece of paper here.